Did you know that on your iPhone you can set the clock so that it appears behind your wallpaper? This trick gives your lock screen a completely new look and makes it look like the clock is part of the image itself. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to easily set this up in just a few minutes. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be updated when I post new tutorials. So, the first thing you need to do is check if you are running the latest iOS 26 version. Here's how. First, open Settings. When you're in Settings, scroll down and find the Wallpaper section. Once you find it, tap on it. In the Wallpaper section, you'll see the preview of your lock screen and home screen. Tap on the lock screen preview to access the customization options. Then, choose a photo for your wallpaper. When selecting a photo, make sure it has a clear subject in the foreground and the rest of the image in the background. If the picture is too flat or everything blends together, the depth effect won't work. For example, I can do this on this photo that came with my phone. Once you've chosen your wallpaper, you need to make sure that the depth effect is enabled. You can do this by tapping the three dots, or in my case, this button here. If the depth effect isn't turned on, tap Depth Effect On. After that, you can zoom in your photo slightly until the object covers the clock. Alternatively, you can use the small clock button and drag it to make the clock bigger. The clock will also move behind an object in your photo. Keep in mind that some photos work better than others. The best images for this effect are those with a strong, darker object in the foreground. And that's everything for this video. If you found it helpful, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.